Let's use multiple textures. This section will explain about setting modes for multiple textures, setting textures for each layer, and adding keyframes. With pastel action, it is possible to paste multiple textures on top of each other. The bottom is the base layer, and it is possible to paste up to 8 texture layers on top. For the base layer, only one texture can be selected, but for the other layers, each layer can include up to 10 textures. In order to add a special material, add the material and press the 10 per layer button in pastel action. The material name will change and the special material will be set. Texture settings can be done from the Multiple Texture Operations menu in pastel action. In the Texture Settings submenu, you must select the layer to which you would like to add a texture and the slot number. All you need to do after that is add the texture as usual. By the way, in the Multiple Texture Operations menu, there is a Video Length Match button. This allows you to make the length of a video texture and the actual lengths that displayed become the same. If you have added a video texture, it is recommended that you press this button. Only the base layer automatically reflects the textures. For other layers, the default is no texture. Due to this, there is a need to manually reflect them with a slot number for each layer. Select Change Texture submenu. This will allow each of the textures added to each layer to be shown, along with their slot numbers. Now, all we need to do is select them. There are 2 locations for texture mapping. However, it is essential that you do texture mapping from the Node panel. Please do not do so in the Mapping panel. The mapping done here will not be reflected, as it does not create keyframes. With the Pastel Action keyframe feature, keyframes can be added to show the textures for each layer, in addition to texture mapping. All you need to do is select the layer to which you want to add a keyframe from the Key submenu. However, deleting keyframes results in them being deleted from all layers. Let's take a look at the movement. This is all for the explanation about multiple textures. Thank you for watching.